Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
1 second, sir. Just go take my book and.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You can
Sorry,
see the,
sir. I was eating something. That's why I couldn't speak.
you can see the screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, are we doing Pythagoras theorem today?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions before we start?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is Tarun?
I think he'll join late.
Not sure, sir.
Okay. Anyways,
Yes, sir.
so probably you would be knowing about Pythagoras theorem, but I have
Yes, sir.
one
Sir,
question.
sorry, sir. Can you say what you were saying? I was connecting my headset.
I was saying that probably you have known Pythagoras theorem before.
Sir.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
ask you a simple question. Hmm? The question
Yes,
is,
sir.
why to study right angled triangles?
Sir, it helps in trigonometry.
Okay.
And trigonometry is like the base for architecture and many other fields of mathematics and science.
Hmm.
Just say real life uses, sir.
Yeah, architecture, medicine, many other.
Okay.
Medicine, ah?
Yeah,
Medicine.
it is used in medicine. Well, that's what
Oh,
So
Twinkle Mom said. It is used in medicine.
So a better
medicine
answer is
students don't even say alter, sir. In
yeah,
most real life situations, right angle triangles are applied. Like so many places.
yes,
It's like the
exactly,
most common triangle.
exactly.
We come
Very
across it all the time.
You are able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, videos
Asking
only like
Tarun. Asking Tarun.
Oh,
Why do we have a 2 hours class today?
yeah, because I arranged it. I mean, I will not be able to take on Thursday.
I thought Adarsh sir was absent.
No,
So we have a 2-hour class.
Yeah, we have a
Oh,
2 hour class.
yeah. So we'll finish off Pythagoras theorem today itself.
yes, sir.
So
yes,
of
sir.
course, one of the answers is that most commonly applied. But I have a better answer than this. See,
Yes, sir.
I take any scalene triangle, okay?
So
This
scalar
triangle,
means two sides are same.
No, the
yeah,
isosceles.
scalene means no sides are same.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yes, sir. No concepts.
Okay?
it's like an average triangle.
So, probably like this. Yeah. So this is a scalene triangle. The thing is, in any triangle, no, right angle triangles are hidden. So basically, knowing properties of any triangle is equivalent to knowing the properties of right angle triangle, because so can you tell me how a right angle triangle is hidden in
Sir,
PQR?
drop a perpendicular to QR
Yeah,
from P.
exactly. Like this also. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
this is
So you can do it
Maybe
in
whatever
all
you
290
sides.
see as
degrees.
all
Maybe
sides
290
I can
degrees.
do.
Every
Yeah.
single side.
So you see, in any triangle, right angle triangles are hidden, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it also makes more sense to study about right angle triangles. One of
Yes,
the
sir.
aspect of
sir, but we
right
can
angle
draw
triangle.
any type of triangles in any triangle, sir.
Yes, yes, of course, of course. Only thing is that neither you cover less space nor you cover more space. It has to be exactly same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Pythagoras
sir.
theorem says that the opposite side of the angle, the 90 degrees, which is AC square, is equal to BC square plus AB square,
AB square.
right? Also, I would like you to know the standard of notations. You see, this is the angle A, right? So opposite of that, give the length as A, small a. Okay. So what is a
Yes,
small
sir.
a? Small a is this length, basically opposite of the angle A. Likewise, the
The
length,
base is A.
yeah, the length opposite to C, the line segment, its length will
Line
be
AB.
C,
C,
C.
small c, and likewise the length
B.
will
B.
be B here.
The B square is equal to A
Yes,
A
square plus
square plus C
C
square.
square.
exactly. Understandable?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will be utilizing this result first, and then we'll see the proof of it. Okay. So let's see the question. It comes.
Are you actually your question?
Okay. So as usual, I'll give you a minute and try this. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
This is the question. I'll give you the picture also. This is the picture. Try it.
Oh, this is quite easy.
So there is a ladder which reaches a window which is 15 meters above the ground on one side of the street. Putting the
So
foot
which
at the
is
same
15?
point, the ladder is turned to the other side to reach a window 8-meter high. So this is
8 meter.
the width of the street if the length of the ladder is 17. So this is 17. This also is 17.
17.
This is 15.
That's 15 and that is 8.
So
No, sir, that is
No, sir,
Like
that
that.
is
No,
15
that
and
is
this is
15 and
8.
this is 8.
That is
Exactly.
15. BP is 15 and B.
right, very
Four
good. So
and
this is
8
15 and this is 8. Okay. You need to find the width of the street. So can you tell which line segment refers to the width of the
P,
street?
PQ, PQ,
PQ.
PQ.
EQ.
Very good. Right, what it is?
Well, this is easy.
Sir, done, sir.
Done.
How much?
So I know, sir. Can I tell?
Tell the answer.
23
Oh, okay.
meters.
23.
Huh?
No?
No. Okay.
Okay.
Probably.
So can I tell, sir?
Tell.
Okay. One second. One second.
There, you said you're done. No.
Okay. Well, I need one thing. 225. Okay.
Then you are
So
not
I
done.
know. I know. Okay. Can I tell?
Final answer.
23.
On Pongo, is it correct or not?
23.
Yeah, very good. Tarun, you are also getting 23.
Yes, but I'm. Sir,
Not
sir,
sure,
I was
But I
speaking
don't know
mute.
if I did.
I was speaking muted all the time, sir. I said done.
Hey, you were not muted.
I was muted.
No, I saw it.
I was muted.
When on earth have you ever muted in a class, Ra?
I did
Yeah.
actually. I did mute.
No, I
Hey,
saw it.
I was
video.
muted.
I saw
Okay,
your
Okay,
video.
it doesn't
But
matter.
Enough.
Yes, sir. What do
So
you
in
blind?
angle BPA with P 90 degrees, we apply Pythagoras theorem. It should be that BA square equal to BP whole square plus PA whole square. That is, what is BA? 17 square. BP is 15 square plus PA whole
PA
square.
289 minus
PA square is
289.
17 square minus 15 square.
So can we do the
17
formula
minus-
whole square thing?
23 meters then.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So this is 2 into 17 plus 15, 32, right?
32, that's 64.
And that is 4 into 9.
64.
4 into 8.
64.
Right?
No, 4 into 8 is not 64.
No,
32.
no. So 4
32.
into 16.
16, sir.
And that is, I don't know.
So PA square is 2 into 4 whole square. That means PA is 8.
8,
Yes, sir.
sir. Okay. Sir, what is it?
P8 is 15.
PA is equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the same way, you do it on BQA and you will find out that AQ will become 15,
15, sir. Yes, sir.
right?
Sir,
So,
actually didn't even do that, sir.
So
Because
it's
this
a
side
very
I know
long
it's
method. So
no,
is
I
it?
did this side 15, 7, 8. So this side is 17, 8 is there, so it's of course 15. I don't even have to do it, sir.
I
yeah,
mean, I
that's
did
Same
it.
triangle.
I
Same
didn't do it the
triangle, but
same way,
just
but still it was like two
heights change.
steps.
exactly. In fact, they are congruent.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So
So
want me to prove
PQ
it?
is equal to PA plus AQ. PA becomes 8 plus 15, that is 23 centimeters, right?
Meters, sir.
Basic meters, yeah, meters. Okay,
Is there a rule called SSA?
no,
AS. Okay.
okay, let's see now. Another question. Try this one. So this
So what
is
do you mean?
question number 2.
So in the AD
It's
is
not
perpendicular. AD is
from.
perpendicular in the sense like the extension
Angle
of BC.
angle D is 90 degrees.
So like the
Yes, sir,
extension,
but
the
it
extension,
should be BD, right, sir?
the
See,
extension, right? Extension.
BD and CD are along the same line, no? So either you say it is perpendicular to CD or BD, they both means the same. They
No,
both
sir,
mean the
but
same thing.
in the thing they gave, AD is perpendicular to BC.
Yeah, so BC extended to D.
Or AD brought to BC.
Sometimes it happens that in question, no, terminology is little misleading. So picture is the better way. You are already given the picture. Go from the picture.
Sir, like they gave the answer in the question itself. It's perpendicular because 90 degrees.
So prove that CD and
Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought
CAB
there was a
and
question.
X.
Okay, sir. I thought there was a question.
Stop blowing into the mic, da.
Okay. I won't blow.
Hey, hey.
What? Did anyone find out the answer?
No.
Oh. So like, how can you say a square? See, c square is equal to a square with b square, and b is like not even a right angle. So.
Mhm. So under this setting, this relation should be available. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we are yet to explore.
Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it.
I don't get it.
Let's go. 1 second, sir. I found the logic.
Me? Yeah, I'm drawing it in all directions, but nothing seems to make sense.
What you are drawing?
Sir, so okay. Pythagoras theorem is only for right angle triangles.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask if we can do a square plus b square is equal to c square.
No.
Can't do that.
No,
It's not for that
angle BCA is not a right angle.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, but like ax and h are one, right? What I'm trying to do.
So I'm sure this is not the Pythagoras theorem we did in seventh. So.
Oh, that's seventh grade. What do you expect, Ra?
Pythagoras theorem is
No,
same.
no, sir. You said
Questions
we
are
already
different.
learned. Yeah, that's complicated.
Of course, they have to advance. Okay. So same.
No, sir. 2 seconds, sir. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I'm on to something, sir. 2 seconds. Only 2 seconds.
In
Oh,
triangle ADB.
1, 2.
So in triangle ADB, do I have angle D 90 degrees?
Can I tell? I found out. Can I tell?
Tell.
Okay, sir. Okay, I'll tell. Uh, in this triangle, in the right angle triangle, ABD. You see that ABD, the full triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem like AB or C square plus uh, H square plus AX whole square, like the A whole square, which will make like C like A plus X whole square. In the sense, will
Yeah,
you can use that
you are
formula. C square.
Right. Got your
Okay.
point. Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, I will have AB square equal to AD square plus BD square, right?
Sir.
What is AB square? C square. What is AD? H square. And what is
square.
BD? A plus X
X
whole square. Right? So H square plus A square plus X square plus 2AX. Now look at X square plus H square. Do I know anything about it?
Yes, sir.
It's
They're
B
part
square.
of triangle ADC. Right angle
ABC.
triangle
Is that right?
ADC.
So what is X square plus H square?
So X square plus H square is equal to B square.
Right. So B square plus A square plus 2A.
2x. That's
Since triangle ADC has angle D 90 degrees. So B square is nothing but X square plus H square. And
Sure.
which establishes our relation which we want. They are both same,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's now I will improve the quality of the question. Okay.
No.
So you have to find out. So these were just warm-up questions. Now you are ready to face.
Sir, we don't have Pythagoras theorem in our exams, right, sir?
Which
Um,
exam?
like the exams coming like day after tomorrow.
Test.
Yeah, test.
It is there. It is there.
Everything
Both are
according to
there.
triangles is there.
Midpoint theorem and its converse, and the parallel
Trans.
line thing, transversal theorem,
Congruency, sir.
and Pythagoras theorem. Both are there.
Sir, what about
Congruency?
No,
congruency? Please,
that
sir.
is that
So
is
please,
not
sir.
there.
Last year, last test they didn't give congruency.
Oh,
Can't do anything else now. They already
Nope.
made the question.
As of now, it will be midpoint theorem and Pythagoras theorem.
Transversal thing. The transversal theorem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's also there.
along with that. Okay,
Sir,
try
yeah, I
this.
didn't know.
Sir, this time it's a bit easier than last time because last time we had logarithms, sir,
Hmm.
and I hate fractions.
Okay,
See, that
let's
M and N are
let's see.
not midpoints, right?
No, they're just points. So you need to prove this relation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Natish and Kongwell, I'm going mute now.
What?
I
Okay,
said
then
I'm
you will
going
blame it
mute
on
now.
that. Then you will blame it on that.
Sir, can we say M and N and P and R are parallel lines? Or yes.
I don't think how you use it.
So they are just any points. So you can shift your n on the side PQ anywhere and let remain the NR segment. So they need not be parallel. They're
Yes, sir.
just any points.
Yes, sir.
Why is there no Q on the proof thing? So
That is the thing. Okay, so I'll show you a proof technique today.
can't do it, sir.
So here, generally the questions which you have seen till now was like this: show triangles are congruent, or find the value of this portion. The relationship like these ones and the previous question, we have seen it only for the first time. or very rarely. So one of the methods is that this is called as LHS, left hand side, and this is called as RHS, right hand side. The method is start with an LHS, do some calculations on LHS, and show that it is equal to RHS. So
So
we
that's
do this thing.
exactly what I'm doing, sir.
So LHS is equal to,
Can you wait for 1 second? Just
sure,
for exactly like 30 seconds, sir. I'll just do it.
okay.
Time. Mm,
You guys have like an idea on how to do it?
yeah, I have the idea. I'm just doing it.
Can you guys extra help?
What? Oh, I'm done. Oh, 1 second, sir. I'm done. I'm done. 1 second. I'm done.
If you're done, tell the.
No, I'm like nearly done. I'm done, sir.
How?
So, first we take both of the what is PM whole square equal to and Rn whole square equal to. We create two separate equations, and when we add them, we get PM whole square equals Rn whole square, which is equal to QP whole square plus QM whole square plus QN whole square plus QNR square, sir. So, QP whole square plus QR whole square is
Yeah,
nothing
right.
but NM
Right,
whole
right.
square.
Got it.
Sir, that
Exactly.
was exactly the same thing I did, sir, and I stopped at the last one, sir. Congo is the
Very
answer.
good.
I was literally
No
in the last
problem. No problem.
I
So
was
see,
trying, but I
PM
couldn't find.
square, PM square can be written as PQ square plus QM square, right? Because of
Yes, sir.
triangle PQM. In that, Rn square is in triangle NQR. I can write NQ square plus QR square. So I have four terms, and now I group them. I group PQ with QR and QM with NQ. So this is PQ square plus QR square plus QM square plus QN square. And when you look at this one, what is it? PQ square plus QR
PR
square.
whole
In
square.
the triangle PQR, it is PR whole square.
PR whole square.
QM square plus QN square becomes NM square or
NM whole.
MM square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One Pinku question. How many right angle triangles are there in this picture?
Hey,
Hmm. 1, 2.
4, sir. Actually, there's
three.
endless. But
There's
according
three.
to the lines given, there's 4.
There's three, I think. Oh yeah, four. Oh, the line between N and M. Okay, I didn't see that. Four.
Four triangles. Okay, all right.
Where did you
Move
get
on.
4 from, sir? I can only see 2.
Two. Hey.
Your vision is bad.
PQR, PQM, RNQ, and then
Oh, okay,
QNM.
okay.
NQM.
Let's see the new question now. This one. Right.
Oh, man.
Oh, I don't like division.
Sir, in the previous chapter, you gave us an assignment, right, sir? In that assignment, I have more English writing than more math writing, sir.
That's what triangles are for. That's why I hate triangles.
It is a way of writing.
I didn't know any way to prove that this is the midpoint, so I wrote all the English, sir.
Then you need to improve it. Okay, anyways, try this one.
Yes, sir.
So how many right angle triangles, first of all?
What, sir?
Sir,
How
3,
many
sir.
right angle triangles?
3,
What
sir.
did you ask? Sir, 3.
Very good. Now the
So can
thing is, uh, just Pythagoras theorem will not be sufficient to find out this relation.
seconds again, go, sir.
So you try
2
it.
seconds.
I'm
Yeah,
giving
yes.
you a hint. The hint is area.
No, I don't remember the triangle area.
It's one. It's sir. It's 1/2 height by height
Base
plus
by height. Base into height.
base into height, right?
1/2
Yes.
base into height. Sir, can I tell till where I have... No, wait. So can I tell kuti parts, sir?
Kuti kuti.
Yeah.
No.
So, okay.
Sir understands Tamil. Oh my god.
I know. Everyone knows.
I
I
don't
should
think
say
everyone knows that.
Iconic words, bro. Words of the wise. So I use that area bit, but after that, it's very confusing. So
very confusing.
some
That
bits.
means the level of the question is good, huh?
Very good.
Good for you, sir. Good, bad for me, sir.
Very good.
Like after find the area, like the last questions, I can use substitution.
Sir, this question makes no sense, sir. I
Well-
ended up to a place like AD square plus DC square plus CD square plus DB square is equal to C square, where AD square plus DB square is already equal to C square. Why do we need DC square plus CD square?
So you are
Yeah,
at a
I
roundabout.
mean mine is similar. I went in a place like
So let's see.
1/2C into P.
So you will all agree
Sir, but
that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC. I mean, whatever it is,
Sir,
I can write it
What
same,
is
right?
that?
oh my god.
Now see, I'll calculate area in two
Sir,
ways.
I never knew 2 is equal to 2 and 0 is equal to 0, sir.
Okay,
So
never heard that
you
joke.
got to do now. I'll
Let's go.
calculate the area in two ways. First, ABC area I can find thinking as AB the base, right?
Yes, sir.
and CD as the height.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, I did that and also. Then I substituted it.
Another way which I can do is thinking
P
AC
into P.
as the base
Huh.
and BC as
Oh,
the height, right?
okay. Yes, sir.
So that's
Now
why, sir. Same thing, sir.
1 by 2 cancels.
It is
So AB into CD, what it is?
What are you
P
talking?
into
It's
P.
not.
AB is C.
No,
ABCD.
C into P is equal
into
to
P
is
is
equal to
equal to
B into
A.
B into
Right?
A. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I square on both sides.
P square is equal to BA square whole square.
What I'll get? C square P square equal to B square A square.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do I know something about C square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is
It
equal
is
to A square plus B square.
C.
C is the hypotenuse of ABC triangle,
Yes,
which
sir.
means it is B square plus
Sir, I
A
thought A
square.
was the hypotenuse.
Bro, the right angle is at the near the area. What are you talking about?
Yeah, my bad.
Now see. Now can I bring P square like so? Just a second.
No, sir. B square plus C A square is equal to B square A square by P square. Like that we can.
So is it fine if I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So
Now see. 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square is equal to 1 upon B square.
Oh my god. So how am I supposed to think all of this?
Yeah, I know.
oh, it's like separating like B square by B square A
Yeah.
square plus A square.
So just thinking of addition of fractions
Thinking
in
outside the
terms of
triangle.
A and B. Yeah. Understandable, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
think outside the triangle.
Tarun, understandable? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He said yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now let's improve the question more.
I know.
Further. Let's
My
see.
life.
So 1 second, sir. I'm just seeing this question. How you got it? So
Oh,
1
sure.
second.
Sankar is loading in the cutscene.
There's a button called print screen in your keyboard. Apparently, you can touch it.
No, when you print screen, you have to hold the Windows key also.
No, only print screen will copy the photo. Windows print screen will save it.
Print screen, you have to snipping tool down. What are you talking about?
Because of you guys talking, I couldn't think there.
Pa, look who's saying that.
That's not able to do. Thanks, sir. 1 second, sir.
That's what I say all the time.
Okay, next question. Is
You're
this.
talking to Nitish Adakongwe.
Try this.
Oh, everything is the same. Where did 9 and 7 come from, sir? This is 2 on 1. What's if I multiply 2 on 1 with something, I will never get this. These.
Where is
I
the
can't do
prime
that.
number now? What are you talking?
That's what I'm saying. Anything I do will end up in a failure. I can't.
Sir, what do you mean by prove that is to 9?
Yeah, so it means that
Sir, is
what-
that like 2 dots or is it ratio, sir? After
it is
Ratio,
ratio. Ratio.
2 dots is ratio.
no. So what do you mean by prove that is to 9 AP square, sir?
No, that.
Not that one. This is the relation which you should prove.
Sir, I asked the dots next to it. Is it the ratio or like
No.
just
That is just fashion.
Oh, okay, sir.
So no construction required.
Required.
Required. Oh, is it my bill? Like, can I start a line midpoint parallel to BP?
Hey, be quiet.
So I have a preposition. Can I draw a line from a like perpendicular to BP or BC?
Actually, that is the way.
Oh,
One of the ways.
oh.
So construction involves this thing.
Yes, sir.
One second, sir. I'm up to something.
Press D. D. No. And that
Let's call it
Z. Z.
D.
Bro. Yes, sir.
So what? Okay. Continue.
B, like BD square and DA square is equal to BA square.
Basic Pythagoras theorem. What are you asking, there?
No, sir asked, what do you get from this? So, telling you.
Sure. I mean,
Fine.
ultimately, you have to find a way to utilize the information given in the picture to show that 9AP square is 7AB square.
Oh, I get it.
So I can't say BD, DP, PC are same, right, sir? But BD and DC.
BD and DC are same. ABC is equilateral triangle, no?
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular is a bisector.
Mm.
But how does it help?
Uh,
Sir. You said BP is to PC is equal to 2:1. So when we bring a perpendicular on BC, we BD will be equal to DC. So can we say DP is equal to PC?
They didn't specify the point of Peter.
No, BP is to PC is equal to 2:1 means when when PC becomes half, BD and DC will become same. So PC will be equal to DP, right, sir?
So it's like, if I say that, it basically means BP by PC is equal to 2 by 1. So BP is equal to 2 times of PC. So if I take PC as X, BP is 2X.
Yes, sir. But now, like, as the ABC is a equilateral triangle, and we draw a perpendicular to the line BC, we divide that line into two halves, right, sir?
Yes. So this segment becomes 3x by 2. This also becomes 3x by 2.
Yes, sir.
DP, if you want to calculate, will become 3x by 2 minus x.
3 by 2. Oh my god.
That means x by 2.
But DP will be equal to PC, right, sir?
No. DP will be in fact half of PC.
Oh, so PC is to DP is 2:1. Sir, whatever I said now, does that help? Like any way?
Could be, but you have to, flow towards what you want to show. How will we get this one? That's the main question. So basically, okay. Anybody else?
Sir, can I tell?
Tell.
So given it is given that
Take a breath.
sorry, sir.
Take a breath. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is given that BP is to PC, which is 2:1 respectively. That means BP is technically BP is technically like 2/3 of BC. And same goes for AB because they are equilateral triangles.
Okay.
And then in the BD, in BD we can say BD is equal to BP minus BD is equal to half of BC. We can tell like that, half of BC, and same goes for AD because it's an equilateral triangle.
Okay.
And AC.
Okay.
What? Wait. And then DP is equal to B. DP is equal to BD minus BP.
Okay, you are lost.
Sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Tarun?
Sir, what I was trying to do was I tried to match DP and PC, but you
there's two different things.
Okay,
look
fine.
at it, right? Even if it's not to scale, it's like look at it, right?
Okay. So will the bigger picture help?
So was I going into like a right track, sir?
No, he said you're completely lost.
I mean,
sir, but you just
little
said
bit.
completely lost.
Little bit. After that, you lost. You started nicely. Okay, fine.
Look at that.
So that's how it goes. We start with saying, let PC be X units. Okay. Then, as per the information, BP is
2 times X.
So the PP becomes 2x, right?
2x. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now BC is what?
DC. Yeah. DC is
BP plus
BC. BC is BD plus DC or PC. Yeah.
PB plus PC, right?
Yes, sir.
PB I know 2x, C I know x, so this is 3x, right? Now, as triangle ADB is congruent to triangle
ADC.
DC by RHS criteria,
I should have asked if it's congruent.
then
Then it is congruent.
BD is same as BC, implies both BD and BC are equal to 3x by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As soon as this comes, I have a lot of information. Firstly,
So
can you
close.
tell what is AB?
It's
AB.
a AB. Yeah.
Sir, AB is
Terms of
BD
it.
whole square plus DA whole square.
No, in terms of x, what it is?
Sir, it is x whole
2x.
square.
No, 3x.
So 3x by 2
3x.
plus 3x by 2.
Sir,
That is 3x.
That is
What
3x.
about AC?
Only that.
What about AC?
3x. 3x.
3. So both AB and
how
AC
sir?
are
How is it
also,
3x?
Equilateral triangle, da.
this is how much? 3x by 2 plus 3x by 2, 3x?
Oh, okay. All sides are equal.
Sides are equal. Now I try to find, I look at this information, okay? I look at this one and I try to find AB square divided by, rather, AB square ratio AP square. Okay. My
Yes, sir.
aim is it should come as a number, and what number it should be?
9 is to 7.
9 is to
9
7.
raised to
Sorry,
7.
7 is to 9.
So in terms of
9,
x,
sir.
what is AB?
So, in terms of AD, AD,
AB. In terms of x, what is AB?
X 3x.
Sir,
3x.
AB is 3x.
3x.
3x, right? So this is
3x
3x whole
square.
square. Okay. What is AP square?
AP square
Sir,
is
AP
just,
square is AD square plus DB square.
Yes. So this is where the Pythagoras theorem comes. So do I know what is DP?
so
Sir, it is
no,
3 by 3.
three.
Sir, it
No,
is half of
X.
PC square. Half of PC, half of PC.
No,
Of
no, it's
PC,
not.
yes,
PC.
exactly. So this DC is 3x by 2, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
PC is x. So DP is basically DC minus PC, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PC is what? I know 3x by 2. PC we have taken as x. So what it is?
Will be X
3x
2,
minus
1,
2x, it will become
3x
x by
minus
2, x
2x,
by
so
2,
X
x
by
by 2.
2.
DP I know. What about AD? Do I know AD?
Actually,
Sir, AD.
so we can
Sir,
say AD is equal to AB. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square.
Exactly, very good. So sorry.
sir,
This
AD
is
is equal to AD is equal to.
like that Pythagoras theorem for ADB. ABD.
AB in ADB,
Sir, so you're saying AD square is equal to 3x
saying
minus DC.
AB square is
BD,
AD
not
square
BD.
plus BD square.
Oh, you're saying
Yes, sir.
AB. Here it is AD.
Okay. So just to be not too clumsy, I put it in the next page. In triangle ADB, we will have, let's, is it possible to copy it.
So you can just like hold the mouse and then drag it till
So
the
you
end,
can
and then
you can print screen it and then take the photo and keep it in the next page.
Yes.
which one, sir? Like the whole screen?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine. So in triangle ADB, we have AB square as AD square plus BD square, right?
BD square. I mean, yeah.
I am trying to find AD.
Yes,
So
sir. So AD square
AD
is equal to AB square minus BD square.
Sir, AB square is
square
3x.
minus BD square.
Sir, it is 3x whole square
No, it's
minus
like AD square is equal to
3x
like
by 2
3x whole
whole
square
square.
and 2x by, no, it's
3
x by
wait
2.
wait
X by
3x by 2 whole square, which is yeah. Sir, so it will become
what it will become?
36x square
9x square minus
by
36x square
4
by
minus 9x square by
by
4.
so it's not whole square.
Fine.
Sir,
Yes,
how,
sir.
how sir? Sir,
It's
9
not
3s
whole
are
square.
27, sir. 9 4s are 36.
36 minus 9.
Okay, we don't even need to square it, right? It's not whole 9x whole square. That's only 9x squared.
9x square minus 9 by 4x square.
So like multiply
Yeah.
this side by 4 and everything, and then minus it.
So
again.
36
Sir,
x.
we have to multiply the other side, right, sir?
Hey, no, see BD.
Oh,
is
okay,
9x.
okay.
That square is
Okay.
there.
So
It
that
is 9x
is
by 2. BD is.
fine. So now let's see. Where were we? We were in the ratio, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's bring
2
that.
9 to 7.
AP is so what did you write in the other page?
Just a second.
Sir, this question is too big for me to comprehend, sir.
So don't give questions like this in the test, sir.
This becomes
Sir, it will become 27 x whole square by 4
27x
is
square
to
by
x
4
by 2.
into
Am I
x
right?
by 2.
It's 2, not into.
Oh, you said like, you sounded like into only.
so what is AP square?
AP
square
square
is
is
AD square
27x.
plus BP square, right?
Sir, it is
Sir.
x by 2. X by 2.
So AP
AP square
AB
is just
square
AD square
ratio AB
plus
square.
BP square. AD square.
AB square I know as 3x whole square.
3x
AP
whole
square I
square
know as AD square plus BP square.
BP square.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is 9x square ratio with AD square.
7.
What is AD square? 27 by
AD
4
square is 27 by
x
4
square
4
plus
plus
what is
plus what
BP
is
square?
BP?
x by
X by
2.
2. So
X
x
by
square
2.
by 4, right? This
Yes.
becomes
Then 20,
9x square ratio 27 plus 1.
28. 28, sir.
28.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what.
That becomes 9x square ratio 27,
28.
28 by 4, 7.
28 by 4 is 7x square. And then,
And this is
whoa.
9 ratio 7.
Whoa.
So
One
this
side is
is
7 to
So
equal
this
to
is like,
this.
Oh, 4. Oh, yeah, 4 sevens are 28.
sir, this is like
That is
insanely difficult, sir. No one would have
Sir,
got that,
please,
sir.
sir, please don't give
7
this question for the
AB
exam,
square
sir.
is 9 AP square. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Everybody fine?
So can we have a break?
No need.
No.
Sir, my eyes are
Ah,
burning, sir.
decrease your like brightness, now.
I have night brightness, sir.
What night brightness? It's not even night yet.
Night brightness starts at 6
No
o'clock.
problem. You can
What?
go and wash your face.
Yes, sir.
Sir, they're
To the
pakka
room.
lying, sir. He'll play games for 3 hours straight.
I was playing.
Actually true, sir.
I was
Actually true,
playing.
sir.
I was
Problem.
playing, sir. That's why
We
it's.
will wait for a minute. We will proceed with the question. You can come after a minute.
Okay, sir.
So during exams, he played for 5 hours straight, sir.
Bruh.
But he was just okay, sir. I'll go drink some water.
Everybody understands now how we did this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But
Excellent.
it's really
Sir,
difficult.
Nitish is just jealous that he has Tamil as his second language and I have French as my second language, sir. French is a lot easier than Tamil, that's why.
Hmm.
I can't
Okay.
do anything. So. Okay, sir.
So see this question. This might feel like you have done, but it is completely new
Use that
question.
break, sir. What? As
He
soon
said,
as I go,
I
go
can
that
put,
side, you will.
I can put, you can come after a minute.
Okay. I'll just go drink water and come. So.
sir, I'm back, sir.
That's the question. Good.
Sir, look at how disciplined I am, sir. I'm the only one who turned on my video for the entire class.
Yeah, that is true.
I always turn on my video, sir. Unlike Kongwel and Nitish and Tarun.
And that should be appreciated.
Like my parents go here and there. That's right.
This is my house, dear.
What? When did I say this is my house?
No, do you think the one I'm living in is in my house? It's not even my house.
Room is
It's not
yours,
even my parents.
no.
It's not even my house, dear. I
That
live in a
room is
rented
yours,
house, dear.
no. That room is yours, no.
No, it's not mine.
What do you mean, right? Only you are there in that room.
I don't get to close my door. My mom is sleeping. That's why.
If she waits, you could just close it.
She won't
That's like
let
a
me
trap.
close. If I
I don't
close,
care. I don't care. I'm gonna solve this question.
oh, I didn't see the question.
What do you mean, right?
No, I
Right.
didn't see the question on the board. I was talking with you, concentrated talking with you.
I didn't want it. So construction allowed?
Not required.
Congruency,
Could be,
midpoint theorem.
maybe.
Okay.
How is midpoint theorem gonna come in this? There is no midpoint. Oh wait, it is a midpoint.
How do you know that? How do you know that? How do you know
Hey,
that?
given that
It's there.
Well,
he is the midpoint
none
of
of it,
BC.
none of the congruency or midpoint theorem is required to be precise.
Sir, then why is he given as the midpoint, sir?
So what?
Hey, that's useful. What do you mean, bro? So like, how hard it is to make a picture to scale, sir?
Much hard.
So scale in the sense like, if E is the midpoint, it should actually at least look like a midpoint, right, sir?
Yeah, that's
Sir, I thought E is the midpoint of BC and AD. I like got really confused. Then I read it properly.
E
E
is
is the
midpoint
midpoint
of
of
BC.
BC.
Yeah.
Sir, according to English, there should be a comma after BC, sir. Sir, it's better to understand.
There is and there.
I will suggest to the publisher of the book. Don't worry.
No, like when you keep reading, it's like E is the midpoint of BC and AD. Like,
Yeah,
what do you mean by E is the midpoint of BC and AD?
that's true.
Fatap, you have to use your common sense. How can E be the midpoint of both these lines?
Discussion over.
That's what I was saying.
Use your common
Hey,
sense.
stop trash talking. Chuma, do it.
You don't even get to talk to me. Okay. Chup, chup.
How to do?
So 1 second, sir. Don't do it now. What's up, sir?
Mhm.
Sir, this feels like the first one, sir.
Next one.
Yes, sir.
Just
Like
now said it will feel similar, right? Like I think we already
Oh.
did this now. So don't do
Oh,
it, sir. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Sankat, talk less, da. Do it.
I'm almost done, but I'm not.
Do it. Don't speak. Do it.
Ooh, I'm on to something. What?
Sir, can I tell what I'm getting, sir?
No. You have to tell the entire.
Sir, I told AB's whole square minus AC whole square is equal to BD whole square minus DC whole square, sir.
Okay.
I don't know where to go after that.
In the right direction.
In the right direction? Yeah. Am I? Sir? Sir,
Yeah.
did you say I was in the right direction?
Right direction.
Oh. Sir, but can you just give a small hint on how to find, like,
One
go
A
after
square
that?
minus B square. Use
Is
A
one-
square minus B square as A plus B, A minus B.
What?
Your
The
voice is
BD square. you have BD square minus DC square, no?
Yes, sir.
Write it as BD minus BC into BD plus DC.
BD minus BC. And then?
Baba, x square
A
minus
minus
y
B into
square
A plus B.
formula.
Oh.
How can you write BD square minus DC square as A minus B?
So can I tell?
No.
So Nova, what?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So taking LHS.
Sir, can I tell?
I gave you the hint. I know what you are telling.
Sir, but I didn't tell anything yet, sir. Please,
No
like
problem.
just
See.
a hint.
So AB square is opened as AD square plus BD square, right? Because
Yes,
of
sir.
the right angle triangle ADB. AC square is opened as AD square plus DC square because of the right angle triangle ADC.
Yes, sir.
Then we
So
open, then it becomes AD square
AD
plus
square
BD
plus
square
AD square plus BD
minus
square.
minus
AD
Sir,
square.
I
BD
got till
square.
here, sir. And then you'll get like A square minus AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus BDC square, like that.
That's what I told
I
you.
got till here, sir. I can tell you after this also, sir. Yeah, this
Oh, you
is
mean like that?
this is where I use that. Sir,
Yeah.
but BD, it's not BD whole. Okay, it is BD whole.
How do you use
BD
A
plus
plus B
DC,
whole squared? Konguvel.
I said A square minus B
A
square.
square plus B square only. I mean, A
Okay,
square minus B
so
square.
what is BD plus DC? Can you tell?
So BD plus DC
BC.
is equal to BD
BC.
plus DC is equal to
Is
BC.
equal to BC.
And in place of BD minus DC, so can I say that BD is actually BE plus ED
ED.
minus DC,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. So in place of BE, can I write EC?
Yes, sir. So, but this
EC
question is not easy, sir.
plus ED minus DC. Now tell me what is EC minus DC?
The EC minus
ED.
DC is ED.
And I already have one ED. So how much it becomes?
It's 2 ED.
ED
2
plus
ED
ED.
into, I mean, plus 2
That
ED
means
plus
2 times of
ED.
BC into ED.
Oh, it's done. Oh, it's so easy. I could have done it.
Yeah, I did. Sir, let me tell it.
I know you can do it.
Thank you, sir.
I just don't want to waste my time.
Bruh, sir.
Bro, sir. What?
Sir.
I know you're
1 second, sir. I'll drink
Sir
water.
knew you had a very broken down explanation. That's why.
Hey, it's not broken down as broken down as your explanation, right? You only
No,
think after you start talking.
actually, Nitish's explanation is breathless. So that's why I'm scared of it.
Sir.
Sir, I explained better than him, sir. You tell it, sir. You tell it. I want you to tell it, sir.
Your breath is
Yes, sir.
controlled. Your
Yes,
breath
sir.
is
Yes.
controlled when you are explaining. But the content goes wild enough.
So that's what I said. That's what I said.
Okay, understandable this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1 second, sir.
Yes.
I'll just copy it.
I did it, so I don't need to copy it. It's not like that. So, like, how do I tell it? It's like, how do I don't know how to tell it.
What?
Like when I'm telling, like, yo, how do I tell it?
What are
Like
you
this half.
telling that?
No,
You
when
know,
I'm telling,
I'll tell what happens with you.
it's
Your speaking speed, okay, that you need to control, and that is
yes,
happened that will happen by the control of the breathing. So you breathe a little faster. Okay, so that's why while explaining, it is shown in the words. When you breathe
How?
in a controlled and synchronized manner, then it will be normal.
yes,
uh,
it's
how
sportsmanship.
he's a fast runner, so he should breathe properly.
I don't speak while running down.
They don't relate,
No,
So
like
this
You just
question,
sir told
always
try
me.
run,
try this. Come on.
Sir said Nitish is breathless. So I said he's a fast runner. He should breathe properly.
Hey, enough, da. Don't speak unwanted things so much.
Oh, it's a fun.
Okay, let's focus on this question.
ABC is an isosceles. So what is isosceles triangle again?
Where two
Say
sides are
what?
same. Where two sides are same.
So AB and BC, see AB and AC are same.
Yeah, with 20 centimeter.
Oh no, I don't like calculation. Registers. Oh, so
As
can you
per
just
the
write that,
picture,
sir?
yeah, of course.
Yes,
So
thank you, sir.
this is 20. This is also 20. This is 24.
So are you using a trackpad, sir?
That
Like a pen on the thing.
digital board.
Sir,
It's
it's a
called a pen
On
stylus.
it.
tablet.
Oh,
Stylus.
I thought it's a trackpad.
PQRS is a rectangle. PQ and SR are Y centimeters. So this is Y. This is Y. PS and QR are 2x. So this is 2x. This is 2x.
Is AB a bisector?
Uh, Maybe you will have to show this. It's not direct.
It's 90 degrees, sir. It is a bisector.
Not okay. By congruency, you can show.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you don't even need congruency, sir. It's a straight line. One angle is 90 degrees, means the
It's
other
a
also has to be
certain
90 degrees.
angle. Yes, sir. What should I do? Why is it okay?
Sir, any hints?
So there's like 1,000 right angles, not literally. Pun intended.
Hint is, yeah, parallelogram. I mean, Pythagoras theorem is there,
Sir.
and
Congruency.
no, not congruency.
Midpoint theorem.
You have seen that. What do you call?
Rectangle theorem.
Rectangle? What is that?
Sir, there's everything, sir. So that must be a rectangle.
No. Okay, let's see. Pythagoras theorem and basic calculations. And congruency, of course, is there.
So,
Sir, I don't even get where to start, sir.
I know where to start.
There's so
Where?
many places.
Oh, I'm close.
So can you just tell me where to start, sir? Like I can, like no.
There are a lot of parallel lines also.
Sir,
Yeah.
so
Ultimately,
PS
you
is
just
sir, so
ultimately
PS
you
is
just have
parallel to
to,
DC.
yeah. So B, all of them are 90 degrees, no? Angle PQD, angle ADC, angle SRB.
Sir, is P the midpoint of BA?
They didn't say that.
Not
You can't
necessarily,
take that.
need not be.
Definitely not. I think.
So you have to find a relation between Y and X.
So I found how to do it.
How?
So can I tell?
Tell.
So P and S are midpoints of A, B, and SC, sir, respectively. Hello?
Why?
So because PS is parallel to QR, which is a it's overlaying on BC, so converse midpoint theorem, it's a
You
parallel
should
line.
start in a midpoint, right? Then only it is
Yes,
Oh
end
wait,
in
my
a
sir.
bad.
midpoint.
Okay, sorry.
Like something. And now you make a son of him or something.
Right.
So I have a thing, so like I can prove that triangle PQB and SRC are congruent, right?
Okay.
Or like a triangle PQR and A 2XP,
Okay.
like that.
Mhm. Okay, so tell me, have you seen something like this? Like if
Sir,
you
Q is
have,
the midpoint of
Sir,
BD.
sir, okay, sir, I'll tell, sir. Triangle A, P, and whatever that like midpoint is, sir. That and A midpoint S, those two triangles are congruent.
which point?
Eh,
Sorry, A, P, that midpoint, and then P, B, Q.
I already said that.
Okay.
So if they both are congruent, P is the midpoint of AB.
How are they congruent?
Checkmate.
Sir, you're telling PS as 2x because like there's you can draw a point
The rule.
between.
Hey,
No,
on
like
answer, shut up, Pagongu.
so like I don't know, like there's a point perpendicular to PS. There's a point. I'll
Sir,
just call
I
it
have
O, sir. There is PO and OS. So there's
Okay.
PO is
You're calling it as O.
sir. So PO is x 1x and P and OS is also another x. That's why you're calling it 2x, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Is that why you're calling it 2x, sir?
No, I'm giving PS as whole 2x unit.
Why the 2, sir?
PQ whole
Hey, you can
square.
also take it as x and x. That's the same thing. X and x
Sir,
here and there.
I'm telling.
If your intuition is that
Is a
PO
midpoint of
is
the line.
X or O is the midpoint of PS, then you have to show it.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. The fact that you took PS as 2x and not as x is very soft, sir.
That is true. But you can write any number as double of somebody. So any number is double of half, isn't it? No?
Sir, but that's not how they take it in
Sir.
questions, sir.
Can I not write 7 as double of 7 by 2?
You can, sir, but
That's what I'm writing.
Oh, sir, can I talk B and D?
Okay.
If I say that's a midpoint of Q and D, that means BQ is same as PO and
Why BQ is same as PO?
so because if Q is the midpoint of B and D, QD is same as PO.
How do you know?
So you said okay, sir. What?
No, I said okay that you tell. I did not say okay that Q is midpoint of BD.
sir, D is the midpoint because ABC is isosceles triangle, sir.
Okay. So
Then yeah.
D is the midpoint because it's a bisector now.
D.
okay, so
Same
first
thing.
of all, let's see. In triangle, not in directly, we will say that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC.
Yes, sir.
Which rule?
Yes,
RHS.
RHS.
Right. This tells
Yes, sir.
me that BD is equal to DC.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. So D is midpoint of BC and all that.
Yes, sir.
Now, so I have triangle PQB congruent to triangle SRC. How?
So how?
Sir. Sir, I know
Sir, because
sir,
sir,
wait,
because S
sir. Hey, be quiet, once more, sir.
Angle side.
Sir, can we
yeah,
say
angle
A?
B and angle C as A,
Angle side.
and then angle Q and angle R are 90
B
degree.
is same as C, Q is same as
And
R,
SRC.
and
Same.
PQ is same as SR. Both are
Yes,
1.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can we say like triangle POA is congruent to triangle AOS, which makes it to PO
Oh,
as
how,
1x
how?
and sir,
How?
like SAS, sir, we know PA is equal to AS because it's a parallel line and it's an isosceles triangle. Then we know angle A is like angle A.
SAS, how did you use SAS?
So you might want to say that PS is parallel to BC. So angle APO and ASO are same. Then you are saying also that angle AOP is 90 degrees, same as angle AOS. It is again RHS, and of course AOP and AOS are also congruent. no doubt.
So then we can say PO is X and OS as X. Then
Yeah,
we can,
right.
yeah.
That's the point. Even here also we are going to do the same thing. See,
Very.
PQB and SRC are same. It tells me that BQ is same as
RS,
CR,
RC, CR.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is one thing also. Now let's take from this triangle also. AOP is congruent to triangle AOS,
Yes.
again from RHS, and which tells me that OP
PO
is equal to OS.
OS. That means
Now
1x.
let's measure some things. Uh, I'll say that both OP and OS are X now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
4D and OD
what
are also.
about the BQ? What is BQ and CR? Can you
The
tell?
BQ and CR are also X.
So see, BQ plus CR actually 24 minus QR, isn't it?
So,
Sir, can
I'll come. So BQ plus CR, isn't it the bigger line minus the middle line?
yes, sir. Middle part. Yes.
So
Yes,
QR,
sir.
do I know about QR? I know it is 2x. And I also know that BQ and CR are same. So 2BQ. That means BQ becomes 12 minus 2x. 12 minus x. So both BQ and CR are 12 minus x. Yes.
Sir.
Sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now what is BD?
So BD is 24 divided by 2. Or like
BD
12.
is BQ plus QD.
BD.
Okay.
B cube is QD. Okay.
So do I know about BQ?
Yes, sir. 12 minus X.
And what is QD?
Uh, X.
X. So
X.
12 minus x plus x is just 12. So
12.
both BD and DC are 12, right?
BD and BC is 12. Yes, sir.
So we got enough information, and also we know that uh, P and P is a midpoint of AP. How? So same way, this RHS tells me from CPCTC that AP is same as AS.
Yes, sir.
that's what I was gonna say, sir.
Also, I know that AB is equal to AC because I have isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this
AB
was
is what? AP plus PB,
AP is equal to AB plus
and
C.
AC is AS plus SC. AP and AS are same, so they are cancelling. PB is equal to SC.
We already knew that, sir.
Yeah. So can I show
sir, we
that?
form one more thing, sir. We
Okay.
according to midpoint theorem from one midpoint, which is P is the midpoint of BA, right, sir? When
We
it
didn't
is,
know it yet.
yeah, we just knew it. We knew it, right? We know
We
it
don't
now.
know it. We don't know it.
I'm not saying P is midpoint of AB.
It is right, sir.
It's not. How is it?
To show that P is midpoint, you need to show AP and PB are same. How?
With
So by proving that triangle AOP is congruent to PBQ.
So
yes,
is
sir.
it congruent?
Think, but I don't know how to show
Maybe.
it. So RHS, sir. Maybe we can use RHS rule.
Yes, sir. I was gonna say this.
No.
Sir,
How do you know the hypotenuse?
I don't know the hypotenuse, but okay. The right side. I mean, right hand.
Sir,
Right hand is there.
Sir, is Q the midpoint of BD?
What is BD? I know BD is 12. So just see what is BQ and QD.
BQ is 12 minus X. QD is X.
They're not same. And in fact, it is not the case that P is
Sir,
midpoint.
sir.
It's not.
They're
It's not
congruent.
the
They're not
case.
congruent.
C is not the midpoint, neither S is the midpoint.
Only if there was.
Yes, then it's not
Sir,
congruent.
AAA rule is there, right, sir?
No, no, no.
Oh.
No,
Yeah.
the proportion will change.
So now we have enough information, but still we want to see this thing. The idea is this one. Have you seen something like this? When I have a triangle ABC, and when I have another triangle sitting over it with B dash, C dash, something like that, where B dash, C dash, and BC are parallel and A matches. Have you seen that AB dash divided by AB is equal to AC dash divided by AC?
AB dash divided by AB. Yes, sir.
Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
What is it called?
So it's called midpoint theorem.
No. You
Sankat, you're
tell me,
muted.
have you seen or not?
Sir, I've seen it, sir. I just don't know where or how or when.
What? Seen what,
This.
sir?
This thing. Do you remember the name basic proportionality theorem?
No, sir.
No.
Bro, I was speaking muted. No,
I
sir.
told you, but you didn't listen.
You have not seen?
No, sir.
Well,
You saying
then,
something useful?
huh?
Nothing, sir. I'm talking like Sankat side. Okay, Sankat.
Okay.
Okay, can
So then,
continue.
like, we can't do it if we don't know that.
Sir, I have one
Nothing
more thing,
like
sir.
that.
Can you go to
Okay.
the previous page once?
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, we know that PS is equal to 2x, right, sir? And PO is 1x. When we produce 1x from P towards point P, we will know that P is the midpoint of that imaginary point Q and O, right, sir? So in when we send a parallel when we send like a parallel line from one midpoint to another and it hits another midpoint, it will become like midpoint of that line, sir. So Q is the midpoint of BD.
No, no.
You already proved that Q is not the midpoint of B and D, right?
No, when did we prove that?
Like
We didn't prove that.
BQ is 12 minus X and QD is X. How is it same?
So you just see the measure BQ and QD. BQ turns to be 12 minus X. QD turns to be X. If Q was a midpoint, then they should be same thing. They are same only when X is 6. Otherwise not. But we are given a general case.
Yes, sir.
There's
Can you also tell me the measure of AD?
Sir, why can't we combine both BPQ and RSC triangles so that it might be congruent to PSA, sir?
Sir, is equal to 20 square is equal to 14
So
square.
it is square root of 20 square minus
square root
12
of
square.
20 square minus 12 square. That's basically 20
Sir,
minus 12.
Sir, I'm getting 176, sir.
So what is this measure?
20 minus 12, which is
So
8.
basically square root of 32 into 8. So 64 into 4, basically 8 into 2, 16. Yes.
So,
Realize AD is 16 units.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, uh, at this thing. I copy.
Sir, how is it equal to 32 into 8, sir?
A square minus B square. 20 plus 12 is 32. 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay. Now look at
Now look at this.
in triangle ABD. I have a situation like this thing. I put it in this format. Okay?
Yes,
This
sir.
is
ABD.
so
Oh my
B, D, A.
A.
Probably just a second.
So we can take that as ADC, right, sir? Because ABD is equal to ADC.
For
Another
us.
one is A, B, A, D, and B. And I have PQ, right? PQ is parallel to AD. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
PQ. I know measures of everybody.
Sure,
In,
that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
okay.
It's
Switch.
perpendicular, right? It's parallel.
Switch. P should be Q and Q
Yes,
should be P,
yes,
sir.
yes. So the thing is,
Doesn't matter.
when such a case happens, BP divided by PD is same as BQ divided by BA. BP divided by BD is same as BQ divided by BA. That is called basic proportionality theorem.
We were teaching basic.
You should be knowing it. But
Sir, we
anyways,
don't know it, sir.
We don't know it, sir.
check that. I mean, uh,
Faster.
anyways, let's assume that you know.
Sir,
If not, then we can leave the question right here. No problem.
No. I want to solve it.
Okay. So just for a moment, assume it. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, how it comes. So do you
it's
remember
very,
what is?
very annoying when you don't know how it works in a question.
Teach us,
That's
sir.
true. Okay.
And by the way, this chapter is even annoying than first chapter.
Every chapter combined.
Likewise, we will have. So what is BP? Can you tell what is BP?
BP?
BP is
The BP is a Y. See, no, it's Y. No, I know. BP square is equal to Y square
B-
plus BQ square.
the BQ square.
Okay.
No, it's Y square plus 12 square. No, not 12 square. 12 minus X square.
12 minus X square.
12 minus X whole square. Do you know what Y is?
No problem. So I mean,
Oh.
I don't want to mislead you. If you don't know this, don't worry. At least you are fine till this here, no? Till this place, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
I
So
don't
we'll
know,
do
sir,
one
but
thing.
sir, I don't know, but I'll check this class again, sir. I'll like after I'll just
So we will wait for some
this
time.
video again.
We'll wait for some time. Then we'll come back to it. Fine? Don't worry.
I want to take a screenshot of the time.
Dude, I'm right now realizing turn
Time.
left.
Oh, now what? You know which time he left? He left at 59 minutes itself. It's been 1 hour since he left.
I didn't see him actually. I didn't see him.
So you can continue.
Let's do this one.
It was a long wait.
So don't use numbers. The numbers are annoying, sir. Even
Yes,
though that's
sir.
the whole point of maths. Everyone is like, what is there alphabets in maths? Supposed to be English.
And that's generally true.
Now everyone is like, why is there
Sir,
numbers in maths?
sir, but isn't maths older than English, sir?
Yeah.
Basically, both are languages.
Sir, sir, English
one
was
speaks
discovered
maths.
like English was invented like 500,000 years ago, but math like ancient, ancient.
500,000
Hey,
years
wait,
ago.
Indian, like Indian and Egyptian philosophers did all maths, right, sir? That maths is like 10 times older than English, right, sir?
So to do the maths, we required symbols. And symbols come from language, either English or Egyptian or Hebrew, anybody.
It's more like English copied maths, sir.
No, you
What
need
is
to
that
write,
topic?
you need something to write, no. So without knowing the letters, how will you write?
They'll use like something like Sanskrit or something if it's India, and then use sign language. They'll
Variables
draw.
can be anything, sir. It's just that English is the most used language and we use that.
Yeah,
Like
that's
we can use this pen as a variable and this cap as another variable. The pen plus
It's
cap is
some
equal to a proper pen.
yeah, right.
It's
some
a
That is
Maltese
possible.
and Chinese is the most speaken language.
Yes, yes.
Maltese something.
So
Okay,
shall we focus on this?
Yes, sir. So the picture is throwing me off, sir. It seems easy, but
everything in this world
Sure.
is like that.
respectively, sir, BC is divided like respectively, like BD is 1 and DC is 3, like that.
Sir, in the exam, can you give us hints like congruency should be used, midpoint theorem should be used?
No, not like that.
We got a maths marks. I got like 500 marks. I'm just kidding. We didn't get that marks yet.
Okay, so see that.
So what's
I was scared that today we got marks. Right?
No, we didn't. We didn't get for this at least.
So
2 seconds.
D divides BC in this ratio. That means BD ratio
Sir,
DC.
so BC is 4x and BD is x and DC is 3x. Let's
So
go.
that is, let BD equal
That is
to
baby
x,
knowledge. Yes, sir.
DC is equal to 3x. Okay, all right.
And then DC is equal to 4.
Now I am hoping that I get a relation between AC, AB, and BC. All of them are the outer segments of the triangle, basically sides of a triangle. I take so something like this. AC square is what? AD
So
square
AC square
plus
is equal to AD square plus DC square.
Sir,
DC square is equal to 3x.
is A 90 degrees, sir?
Yes.
No.
No. What?
No.
No, it's not. Sure. I like to see it.
Okay. Now AB square is what?
AD square plus BD square and AD square. See,
AD square plus BD square.
and BD square is equal to X
Now,
square.
I manipulate this one and I take it as, is it equivalent to show this thing?
Yes.
That's a smarter way to do. So I take the LHS and I take the LHS as 2 times of AC square minus AB square. Fine. Yeah.
But we have to prove it, right? So you can't just like take.
So I'm taking
like,
the LHS. I'm taking LHS. This one.
Oh. Yes.
I will show that this is equal to BC square and then we can move it back.
So I thought like prove that in the sense you have to forget the entire 2AC square.
No. So this we
The
start.
answer should be like that.
Then AC square is what? AD square plus DC square
Easy.
minus AB square is what? Minus AD square minus BD square.
Yes, sir.
Right? AD cancels. So I have DC square minus BD square. What it is?
Which is 3x minus 1. Actually, 3x square minus 1 square.
DC I know 9x square. BD
square
I
and then
know x square.
Square.
And this is equal to
8x square.
16x square, right? Now, what is the
Yes, sir.
relationship of x and
Oh.
BC?
X and
So this
Sir,
is
I know,
4x
sir.
whole square.
sir, BC is 4x, sir.
Exactly. So 16x square is 4x square, and that is BD BC.
16x square is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
16x square.
So what we have shown, 2 times of
3x
AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. Now we will rearrange. It will give me 2AC square as 2AB square
B square.
plus BC square. So, yeah, plus BC square.
Sir, but what if they don't say prove that this is the thing? We have to find
But
that
it is, yeah, then probably different strategy. So looking at what we need to find or prove, we switch our strategy. Okay. So we be smart while what we want to do.
What? Wait, what?
I mean, when you see the question, you realize what you need to do, right? Either
Yes,
you need
sir.
to prove or find or show or whatever.
Yes.
Looking at the expression, you need to manipulate your strategy. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
So 1 second, sir. 1 second. Sir.
My watch looks like a void.
Everybody alive?
So everybody alive, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Plus,
2 hours. I want to take a screenshot of the time. Yes.
Okay,
Very
excellent.
sleepy.
So mostly our chapter is complete, except
no,
that
no more
question.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, except that question. In next class, we'll start
Is much-
new thing.
Sir, you won't come on Tuesday, right, sir?
We'll meet next week.
No, sir. You said like
He said not. He said Thursday, not Tuesday.
Thursday.
Today for this week.
Oh yes, sir. This week,
So-
sir. Today is Thursday, sir.
Today is
Today.
Wednesday, da.
It's Wednesday.
Oh, so tomorrow you won't come, sir?
So my 3 hours are complete, no? 2 today, 1 Monday. Like that.
Oh.
Okay then. All the best. Good night.
Good night,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Been a rough evening, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye.